Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been managing your contacts in Mailchimp but want to get organized, whether it's clearing out inactive subscribers or simply tidying up your audience lists, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through exactly how to archive and unarchive contacts in Mailchimp. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel totally confident knowing how to safely set aside contacts you don't need right now and recover them whenever you're ready, all without losing valuable data. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open up Mailchimp and log into your account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and find the Audience tab. This step is super important because your audiences are where all your contacts live. Imagine the audience as your digital address book. This is where everyone is stored. Go ahead and click on it to see all your subscribers and contacts. Next, you'll see a list of the emails in your chosen audience. Take a moment to scroll through and find the specific contact or contacts you want to archive. Maybe it's someone who hasn't interacted with your emails in a while, or perhaps it's a segment you want to pull out temporarily. Once you've spotted the email you want to archive, look for the checkbox right next to their name. Give it a click. This is how you tell Mailchimp, hey, this is the contact I want to work with. Now look towards the upper part of your screen for the Archive button. It might not jump out at you immediately, so don't worry if you have to scan around for a second. Once you find it, click on Archive. Here's a little safety feature. Mailchimp will ask you to confirm your action to prevent any accidental archiving. You'll see a prompt asking you to type the word archive in all capital letters. This may seem a little redundant, but it's actually a great safeguard, sort of like double-checking the locks before you leave the house. So go ahead and type ARCHIV, make sure it's in all caps, and then hit archive one more time. Your selected contact has now been archived. If you want to double-check or review all the contacts you've archived so far, here's what to do. Back in your audience dashboard, look for a More Options or similar drop-down menu. That's where Mailchimp keeps some of the additional features. Click on it and select Archived Contacts. Now you'll see a list of everyone you've archived previously. It's a great way to ensure you didn't accidentally archive the wrong person, or simply to review who's on ice for now. Let's say you realize you want to bring someone back. Maybe you archived a contact by mistake or your situation's changed. Unarchiving is just as simple. From that archived contacts page, locate the person you want to restore. Just like before, select their checkbox. Now look to the top for the option labeled Unarchive All. Go ahead and click that. Once again, as an extra safety measure, Mailchimp will prompt you to type UNARCHIVE in all capital letters. This consistent process really helps prevent mix-ups or unintended changes. So type it out, UNARCHIVE in all capitals, then click Unarchive. And just like that, your contact is back in your active list, ready to receive your mailings. And that's really all there is to it. Archiving and unarchiving contacts in Mailchimp is quick, secure, and gives you more control over your audience list management. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or tips to share, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you all. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and here's to keeping your Mailchimp contacts organized and stress-free.